Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. I'm printing and cutting stickers. I had all three going in a minute ago, but they go so fast sometimes they don't run at the same time. So a bunch of stickers. I got one customer that is a repeat customer, and I do all his stickers. And it's a pretty big order of several different, of 40-ish stickers. Like I think 10 different ones, and I usually do these every month for him, and he gave me a big batch this time, so I got to get them done this week because I'm on vacation starting on Friday or Saturday, depending how busy we are. So, but as you can see, I'm printing on the HP Latex, and I'm cutting on the latex cutter. So, you know, like I've said many times before, if I were to do this again, you know, starting up my print shop, you know, you guys already know that I did my CNC and laser and all that stuff before. I still would go with the HP Latex first. Those other two printers that I had, like the Epson 6500 or the LX610, were great little printers if you have your own business that's, you know, making other projects. I don't really think it's good for a sticker business unless, you know, you're just casual, you know, stickers. You know, you're not going to spend hours every night because it was a long process. And the quality of those stickers are throwaway sticker, I call them. You know, you don't really, you're not going to lamb them because if you did, that's such a longer process unless you're going to hand cut stuff out. But the stickers were okay. They were one-time use. They're good for products. They're, you know, they're not good for, you know, people to stick on their wall and stay there forever because they will fade. You know, they're not great in the sun. No matter which ink you bought for them, they weren't the best for longevity. So latex would be my first choice, only because for that price margin and the size, you can get so much more done with this. And then the BN20 is always my favorite just because it print cuts. It's just so easy. I do a lot of freebie stickers. You guys know that. I make a lot of products on my other machines, my CNC, and I always give away free stickers with my stuff. So the BN20 was perfect for me, and I could never be without it. However, that Mamaki, that little one, that 24-inch one that's out now, that Mike had talked about to me, very, very appealing to me, guys. You might see something on the channel with that. I don't know. But honestly, if I were to do that, I would have to give up my BN20 because I don't really need another printer. I don't want to have another printer around just because I like to collect equipment. You know what I mean? I personally just want them for the use of it. The BN20 is great for print cut, and if you want to make some shirt stuff, HTV prints, it's good for that too. But DTF is just the way to go on any of this, on the shirt stuff, guys. It's just incredible. So anyways, I'm doing an order on a print cut, and as you guys saw, I had new print heads put in. You know, they've lasted me 4 years. You know, and I'm not pumping out 4 hours a day. I'm running I'm going to average maybe an hour, hour and a half a day. Some days I'll run longer, and some other days I'll run shorter. So that's the use I get out of it. And mostly I do banners, you know, but I do a lot of these sticker deals every month for people. And I enjoy it, you know. Between the printer and the cutter, you saw I was just cutting and printing at the same time. Nothing beats that productivity. Nothing beats that getting it done so fast, guys. That's going to be on the channel soon. I got to get it going. I'm having a problem trying to get it configured. There was one thing that I did. I got a new computer for it and downloaded the drivers, this and that. But I'm not sure if there's an issue with it or not. I'm addressing it. So hopefully I get that figured out. But that's a 20-watt Omtech fiber laser, guys, right there. So you'll see that more on the channel. And then let me pause and go to my CNC room. So my CNC room is getting redone. As you can see, I got the new CNC, the onefinity times 50, the 48 by 32 machine here. I got it all set up. I've been doing dry runs on it, and I got the controller mounted under here. I'm doing some finishing touches with the cable management, which is really good. The probe unit works awesome. The top, the ZXY mouse. I have a camera hooked up. You can see there. I just plugged it in and it worked. Didn't have to install drivers or nothing. What I like about this onefinity, guys, it's an all-in-one control system. There's no computer needed because it's a Raspberry Pi. It's already a computer. So it boots up fast and it runs easy. And I just have this camera. I have this camera, this HDMI nice camera plugged in USB. Boom, and it worked. And you can see there it is. So I just have it hooked up because I'm with the web server. With that, you can see at your other computer, I could set up my Aspire files, boom, drop them in here and run. And then I can keep an eye on it and I don't have to sit in here. So I'm just doing some dry runs. Let me zoom out, see if I can zoom out here. I'm on the wrong mode. And it's doing great. So, you know, you'll be seeing sign work in here, guys. Let me get back out of here. Actually, let me just show you. This is my other machine I showed in the video. I got the spindle VFD all configured. And I'm just trying to get more organized in here. I'm gonna extend out the room here, and then you know, you'll see more of that too. So yeah, that's what's going on. It's a little update on stuff going on in here. I haven't stopped doing what I'm doing. You guys know I've been doing this for a long time. I'm not sponsored by anybody. You may see product reviews on things that I get for free, but that's not a sponsorship or anything like that. I really, you know, if I like something, I'll do a video on it. Well, I get a lot of these solicitations, like a lot of you YouTubers. I know you get a lot of them. You get a lot of solicitation emails from companies, these Chinese companies or whatever, that want to send you stuff. And I don't want to, you know, I don't want to do a review on a dog collar or Tupperware on my channel because it's really irrelevant and kind of, I don't want to just annoy people. But that's what they do. They send me everything. Somebody wanted me to test out the oils. I'm like, what am I going to do with this? No, this isn't Diddy's channel. You know what I mean? So, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm still printing, cutting, doing all that stuff, trying to get the laser going. I got to get moved. I got the CNC room. I've been working on that. And, of course, I got this roll laminator that's still in the process. So I got a lot of things going on, a lot of things working. So, appreciate everybody. If I don't do another video before Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Hanukkah, and whatever you guys do. And like, subscribe, hit that notification. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one.